But as far as I know, the bill did not get to the president for assent. And so the convention is that all bills that are not assented to before the expiration of the life of Parliament expire. And so that bill effectively is dead, it has expired. I don't know what the promoters of the bill intend to do, but I do think that we should have a conversation on it again so that
any law be involve cost on the part of the state, the state must come in and this is for someone to be that. Nana Kufuado bois, Nanya no cre, Omutu Manuku Yansosa, and this former President Mahama, or by President once or no, or refer to that. And it is an brand no opposition. Now only say law be a state, no way be in care cost no. I was say state in the and Nadia, obey a president in the way. Intermediate me can say LGBTQ no, ye be a Ghana, we shouldn't countenance it. I was say yes suppressing, I was say yes pass the law, I bet banding because yan sure be baby no be a part of that. Never be a part of us, nanipa be breji tuma. And only here can say, edu baby afedi wo kan wasema. Whether it is moral or immoral, no, would there be dependent on the morality of the observer? And it is say no, I start to say unity no, and there was a ye trasokrani ye tunase. And yes, sir, gradually no, a be part of our culture. A be part of the culture, it will be very difficult to eradicate it. And say the mechano. MPP and Kasane do baby so we have to yanya smart. Because you say yanya smart and they say wouldn't say LGBTQ because they deviant behavior. No. Majority of Ghanaians frown upon it. And any government be about passing law, ebe bandi piano, you will get what we call first mover advantage. Because Ghanaians will begin to associate goodness with you, say we will be a morally, we are sound. What the whoopah, Mama NDC for uncle sign law is a siano. Ube will say the NDC for no, Ebesia Kanafa. Omubekasa Mahama and have built the social fabric of our society. Mahama and morally, oh yeah, right, because I know no and Ghana from Ghana from Kolabesa and you do baby. We a political party, you need to be smart. You listen to the voice of the people. Say the Mahatma Gandhi can, or say the voice of the people is the voice of God. Until you do baby, you listen to the voice of people, and then you gather what we call the first mover advantage, and it will be associated with you. So on a metrano, enti medimanu medi the American say it is something bad. We shouldn't countenance it because you are kakra ne develop. No more grow be a friend of subculture. Never be a part of the society. It will be very difficult because omubenya large constituency. No munya large constituency no. Omube eba be a part of us. Never very difficult to eradicate it. But maybe the American say, omo champion, omo lead no. Hypocrisy ni too much. Say a MPP timer, stick to your stand. A NDC time so stick to your stand. Man yan say. NDC time no wo benkum MPP time wo nifa enya shift pe na wako benkum enya shift pe na wako nifa e pasa no a ye no a ye hwa wo no we do not have trust in you kakra meka no me de manu besi ya me de mase
dynamic
so culture is dynamic.
Okay,
and nothing that make us say one shall develop some subculture. So what I say because it is developing this one suppressing in terms a developing no large constituency on a subculture. So what I say.
Okay, so I believe that Mefane said about 15 years ago, no, even though these things were in existence, no, their development stage, was quite low.
Oh, now it wasn't in the known. What was in the media and so Bishop baby no yeah you cry no bit me try or no cry now where no be a chanaba. But first
but I'm saying that sadly when you can say in fact before some of us were born and I say in the olden days but then now enye dominant. Okay, so
Sure.
I'm saying that some years back, now it wasn't a concentration of certain individuals, and I said people who are interested, and now they weren't concentrating on that area or aspect of life. Is that not the case? Nkwadabita, is that not the case? Nkwadabita, because it's Hannah who said now or Kase Sam George at a certain time was not advocating for something like this, and then he confirmed the facts that society is dynamic. Yeah, you see, day in day out, situation changes, things changes. When things change, what you do is that you also change to adapt or address the challenges that are in the system. So if Sam George at a certain years back was not concentrating on that aspect and was concentrating on bread and butter, and he thinks that this time around it has become a matter of concern, what is the hypocrisy about this? Oh,
Hypocrisy na make can say at the time na all can na NDC never power. A man for link this and the Solomon story came up. MP people started talking about this LGBTQ. Sam George then only a bemuno or say any issue was a Ghana ye can wasam. Na Ghanaians you rather think about bread and butter. Now make what you say. And when I make us say double standards. Meanwhile, the moment of your bemu co-opposition or say LGBTQ should be an issue. That is what I'm saying. Many I say what I say, but Balak, are you British lawyer?
yeah, Matu, you see, Matu I say to a large extent, yeah. But you see, when you bring in the issue of hypocrisy now, I wonder, say, what do we think the people in parliament do? They do politics, right? Now, agenda of an opposition is to ensure, say, they bring in things or issues that they believe, say, and if we were in charge, and I say, these are the things that we will be able to do or spearhead that I think government is not doing. Again, government is also, so he believe that these are the things that my resources will be able to do what? To satisfy the people. And so government is prosecuting that. Once opposition will bring you things that if you cannot doing it in room. So this is where consensus building comes in the picture. This is where listening comes into the picture. And government needs to do what? To address them. What I say. So if you make it look like the fact that when he was on opposition, he spoke when he was in government, he believed that, okay, my people need bread and butter, and then I am doing this. What was the position of the opposition at that time? Now he's in opposition.
So by that same measure, no, British lawyer, by that same measure, now that you are in opposition, no, who come once, but when you are in government, I would say, Ghanaians are thinking about bread and butter. What about when MPP, yes, here opposition, yes, here Kachira will say, Ghanaians are also thinking about bread and butter, but not LGBTQ. How would you take it?
Yeah, so that's why I'm saying that. That's why I'm saying that the word is somebody who is in opposition. What is opposition? Opposition is opposing to what you think is helping you, and then he is also thinking of what he thinks that would have helped the country. You understand? That's why I'm saying that let's appreciate the fact that when you go to Parliament House, what they do there, they do what we call politics. What I say, they do what we call politics.
So and politics is also a discussion and maneuverings.
No, so you see, what we are saying is say, on say Nkwantabisa, and can say no maban now come the narrative ni say we are not even going to do anything about it, but it's about bread and butter. Then Miao can appreciate it. But nowhere have they come out to say this is not a matter of concern and that let's throw it away. Then you offer bread and butter and to table. So nowhere have we cited those things as at the time I already president for 9 days. So you see my challenge with us as people that we discuss politics. We don't even do politics, but we are discussing it. Yes, so that's my challenge. Let's watch. Let's listen. Let's see how the narratives are going. If the narratives are that these people are reneging on their promise, these people are reneging on things that they were making noise about, then of course you and I can come out here and say that these people are hypocrites. And they were just throwing the eye, they were just gaslighting us as Ghanaians. But at now, now because will be a hip